In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Solana wallet address on Binance. Maybe you want to send your Solana to your Binance account. So this is the right video. So watch it until the end. First, open your Binance apps and then go to your asset in the bottom right corner. And then as you can see in this page, there is deposit option. You can click it. And then now you want to send your Solana. So you can search Solana, so you can click it now. And now you have to make sure the right network. Because I want to send it with Solana network, I will choose Solana. And that's it. You will find your Solana address. You can copy it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.